So it just turned 3,600 miles since the full restoration, and I'm taking off. Nice and smooth, just as you would expect. This is definitely a one-finger driving car. The fabulous 62 T-Bird. And it has a modern Thunderbird stereo. And the air conditioning, the heater works fine. The air conditioning needs to be charged. You can see the interior is beautiful. Everything was redone. And the 390 cubic inch V8 with 4-barrel carburetor is nice and smooth and fast. You could definitely go on highway drives all day long if you wanted to. The steering is very sensitive with the new Diamondback steel belted radials with the wide whites. Or appropriate wide whites, I should say. So she handles great, very few squeaks and such, just like a new T-Bird should be. So, of course, it has full power. It has power top, power windows, power steering, power brakes, speaking of power, so you can see we're going 40, just flooring it. Now we're going 60, and I've let off the throttle, but you can see that 40 to 60 response was very, very fast. Beautiful day in Southern California wine country. September 12th. In the 62 T-Bird convertible. Lots of power, beautiful driving car, very smooth.